Too tired to exercise? Long day, no energy. But what if you could still burn fat without even standing up? This 10-minute lazy routine is designed for zero energy days. No jumping, no equipment, just results. Start with gentle leg lifts, one leg at a time. Keep your abs engaged. You're working your core and legs. Now sit up slightly, arms circles forward and backward. Burn those calories while staying relaxed. Hands behind your head. Twist side to side slowly. Feel the waistline working. Lie back, feet flat, squeeze your glutes as you lift. Great for your lower body and core. Raise your legs, tap your toes down one at a time. This targets your belly and burns fat fast. Breathe deeply, stretch your arms overhead. You've just completed a full body fat burner without standing up. Consistency beats intensity. If you do this daily, results will follow, even on lazy days. And for faster fat burning, try this supplement. Link in the description. Like, subscribe, and stay consistent.